Hi, in this tutorial we will generate a 3D structure and then create a sequence to play content on it. The sequence system syncs multiple stages, which makes it perfect for projects with multiple layers like a 3D structure. Now that we have our 3D structure, we'll add a side stage in multiply merge mode in order to generate interesting effects in 3D. To do so, we go into the Manage Stages window and duplicate the existing side stage. We rename it and set the multiply merge mode. Now that we have multiple stages to play with, let's create our sequence. First, we need to create a group with our stages. In the group, we put all of the stages representing the layers we need to create our effects. Now that we have a group, we open the sequence editor and go into the live panel. Let's also open a 3D monitor to better see what's going on. The basic idea with the sequence editor is that the state of the live panel can be stored as a step in a sequence. We can now see the 4 stages of our group, and we can set them exactly how we want them and add the result as a step. Let's name our sequence Fire. For each group, you can create up to 255 sequences. Each sequence can also have up to 255 steps. We now have our first step. You can then modify any stage parameter like the speed and store the result as a new step. In the sequence editor, click on a step to restore it. Now, let's change the media on the side multiple stage to create a more interesting 3D effect. The media parameters are also stored in the step. The fade time is used to do the media transition between steps and also animate the media parameters. Let's create another effect to better show how the media parameters can be animated between steps. At any time, you can adjust any parameters and update the current step. Undo/redo is also available for your convenience. The checkboxes in the step list allows to override the parameters that have been stored. You can also set the duration of each step, which is used when automatically playing the sequence. Click on the play button to play all steps automatically while editing. Sequences can be triggered via the Perform panel or any remote mode like DMX, OSC, and HTTP. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button below. And if you want to stay up to date with more NTech tips and new product releases, then hit the subscribe button or follow us on our social media channels. The links are below. If you want to know more about ELM or download it for yourself, then the link is in the description.